Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 16th of October, 2024. The benchmark indices ended lower for the second consecutive session on October 16th, with the Nifty below 25,000 amid selling across sectors barring realty. At close, the Sensex was down 318.76 points or 0.39% at 81,501.36, and the Nifty was down 86 points or 0.34% at 24,971.30. Trent, M&M, Hero MotoCorp, Infosys and Adani Ports were among the top losers on the Nifty, while gainers included HDFC Life, Dr. Reddy's Labs, Grazim Industries, Bharti Airtel and HDFC Bank. Talking about the corporate segment, we have PC Jeweler shares hit the upper circuit limit in Wednesday's trading session after the company allotted for 0.35 lakh equity shares on conversion of fully convertible warrants. The stock price gained after 4 days of consecutive fall on the NSE. In October 16th trade, the counter hit the upper circuit of 5% to quote at 177.36 rupees per share on the NSE. The company in an exchange filing said allotment of total 48,0802,500 fully convertible warrants by way of preferential allotment on private placement basis to the persons belonging to promoter group and a non-promoter, public category. The company has proposed to split its equity shares in a 1:10 ratio, converting each existing share with a face value of 10 rupees into 10 shares with a face value of 1 rupee, it said in a stock exchange filing late on September 30th. Earlier, PC Jeweler Limited announced a stock split and a major fundraising plan, both designed to enhance shareholder value and increase retail participation. This move is subject to approval from the company's shareholders and is expected to be completed within 45 days following the necessary approvals. Share of RAILTEL Corporation of India jumped 10% to 449 rupees in the afternoon trade on Wednesday, October 16th, after securing a 79.8 rupees crore order from Maharashtra Housing and Area Development Authority. The telecom company announced that it will establish, migrate and manage cloud-based data center and disaster recovery sites for MADA under the new contract. RAILTEL shares have slipped 21% in the past 3 months. RAILTEL was recently elevated to Navratna status by the government on August 30th, joining the ranks of top public sector enterprises. The company reported an annual turnover of 2,622 rupees crore and a net profit of 246 rupees crore for financial year 2024, giving it enhanced decision-making power and operational freedom. In September, RAILTEL also bagged a Rs 156 crore order from Maharashtra Rural Development to operationalize ASSKGP projects across the Konkan, Pune, and Nashik regions. In the June 2024 quarter, RAILTEL posted a 25.2% year-on-year rise in net profit to 48.7 rupees crore, with revenue from operations growing 19.4% year-on-year to 558.1 rupees crore. The Railway PSU forecasts telecom revenue to grow by 9 to 10%, with project revenue expected to reach 2,000 rupees crore, driving overall revenue growth of 25 to 30% in financial year 2025. The momentum in the order book and execution capabilities of solar EPC provider Sterling and Wilson Renewable continues to rub off on the share price, rising to hit the 5% upper circuit for a second day, after September quarter results. The company has guided for financial year 2025 revenue to be 8,000 rupees crore, of which 2,000 rupees crore has been achieved as in the first half. The management said it is confident of executing the projects to meet the remaining 6,000 rupees crore target this financial year. During the earnings call with analysts, Sterling and Wilson on October 15 said that the order book continues to grow rapidly, achieving one of the highest unexecuted order value ever for the company, at 10,549 crore as of Q2 financial year 2025. The metric was at 8,084 rupees crore as of March 2024. This provides a higher run rate visibility for the forthcoming quarters, SWRAIL told analysts. Shares of KEI Industries tanked as much as 7% on October 16 after the firm's operating margins contracted in the July-September quarter. Despite recording growth in the bottom line as well as top line, the company's EBITDA margin still shrank 70 basis points on year to 9.7% in the September quarter as compared to 10.4% in the corresponding period in the previous fiscal. The fall in margins was on account of higher cost of raw materials and a spike in finance costs and employee expense benefits. Meanwhile, the company's net profit grew 10.3% to 154.8 rupees crore for the second quarter of financial year 2025, up from 140.30 rupees crore in the year-ago period. The cable maker's revenue also rose 17.2% to 2,279.6 rupees crore in comparison with 1,945 rupees crore in the corresponding period of the preceding fiscal. Beyond that, the company also reported a pending order book of approximately 3,847 rupees crore by the end of quarter 2. Pyramid Technoplast Limited in daily time frame is trading around 206.14 points with a change of 19.95% and is trading with a net volume of around 663.571 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 179.17, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 73.73. Precision Camshafts Limited in daily time frame is trading around 301.80 points with a change of 17.35% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.553 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 254.90, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 71.12. Divine Power Energy Limited in daily time frame is trading around 108.70 points with a change of 17.01% and is trading with a net volume of around 240,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 89.01, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 75.64. For the stock recommendation we have, Reliance Limited looks good and can be bought at 2,709 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 2,663 rupees and a target of 2,773 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.